Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Diablosaurus. The Diablosaurus is a relative of Triceratops, so it's pretty much going to look a lot like Triceratops, except for, just certain things in the horns, and I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker. Like I said, it's going to be super fun if you're into dinosaurs. This is a new one you never knew about, probably, Diablosaurus. So let's do it. I'm going to have a curved line here for the head, so I'm going to curve right here. Like so. All right. Gonna go down here, curve inward this time for the little snout. Like so. I'm gonna go the horn's a little bit smaller on him. So I'm gonna go over here and just do a little bit of a stump almost. Curved line for that. Downward for the obviously bottom of the mouth. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curve inward over here to kind of complete that head. Kind of curve, at least the head profile. Going over here. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna keep that on that line, upward, down. I'm gonna draw that horn. Upward, down. Gonna do the far side horn, and it's gonna be the same thing. It's essentially just a curved triangle. Curve over here. And I'm gonna actually throw a line over here for the front because they have kind of like a beak going on. Line over here, down. And I'm gonna draw a split here. Could draw a line over here for the nostril. Smiley line over here. And I'm gonna draw the eye really big because I want it to look kind of cute. Curve line here, like a gravestone shape. Curve underneath. And it's gonna look, let's say this way, forward. Circle over here for the iris. I'm gonna block out some of it because I want there to be a highlight. Cool. I'm gonna draw a, let's see, I'm gonna draw the top now. Line out on the far end, it's gonna be that crown, okay? So I'm not gonna curve yet, but I am gonna curve soon. Gonna draw, basically there's a spike that comes out. Those are the big differences. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna have to show you. So essentially it's gonna curve around like so, and it's gonna pull in. Curve around like so, pull in. So I'm gonna do little zigzags. But right at the top here, this is where the big difference comes in. It's gonna be a horn, pretty long horn right there at the top, and another one right next to it. And again, those are just curved triangles, real simple stuff. But I'm gonna continue this shape on as it goes on. So on that crown, it's gonna wiggle here, and it's gonna pull in. Right on, doing good. Right on. Go over here to the side of the cheekbone. A little bit of a spike there coming out. And we're gonna go in. I'm gonna draw the leg. I'm gonna draw the leg straight down from here, downward. Down. Flat foot, pulling back. Right there. I'm gonna pull a face in over here. I'm gonna complete that. All right, and now I'm gonna go to the back. So I'm gonna see the top of his head. Imagine this line curving. Where would it end up, right? Let's say it just curves. Boom, it's gonna end up over here somewhere. So imagine it, and then catch it on this side. Out for the top of the back, and curve down for the end of the tail, because basically the rest of this is Triceratops. The big difference really is a little bit of the crest shape, and it's going to be these horns at the top. Those are the huge differences. And also we're drawing a cute version, right? So there's going to be a little bit more leeway. Pull a line in, up, line over here for the stomach. Like I said, if hopefully you're learning. If you are, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification. When you click the subscribe and the bell, it's basically going to show you a little tiny thumbnail of what I'm drawing that day on your feed, right, as you're scrolling by. So that you'll be like, oh, cool. I want to draw that day. Because if you like dinosaurs, if you like Godzilla, if you like Among Us, if you like video games, if you want to draw all your cute favorite characters, some of them just normal, some of them are cute like this, hit the subscribe if you find my stuff worth your time. Alrighty, going over here to the back foot, curved line, and then down. Gonna also do that flat part over here. Up here. I'm gonna actually close off that tail. He's gonna be like almost like a miniature version of it, of Diablosaurus. It's interesting because when they find new dinosaurs, sometimes they find that some of them are like younger versions of other dinosaurs. I think they said Triceratops and Torosaurus are like the same dinosaur, just at different stages. Like one's like a younger one, one's like a teenager one, right? I can't remember. And that happens sometimes. That's just the way it is. Like if you were to think about if they found like I don't know, 2 million years from now or something, and they find bones or fossils of like a tiger, and they find fossils of like a lion, right? You don't have the hair and stuff like that. It's just their bone impression. How do you know which one it is, right? There's differences. There's small differences in the bone, in the shape of the bone. That'll usually lead people to be like, oh, that's a different species entirely, right? But you could see them being like, oh, are they the same? Are they not? And that's kind of what's going on with dinosaurs, especially these Triceratopsians. They're kind of finding, a lot of similar dinosaurs in the same kind of like, family, and they're kind of like, oh, is this the same exact dinosaur but younger or not? So they have to figure that out, and they find more and more clues, with experimentation. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. That was a ramble. I'm gonna go over here and draw a curve under another same shape as the eye almost. Tombstone shape right here for the nail, and another one. So it's like facing forward. 1, 2, right there. And I'm gonna draw the other foot on the far side. Excuse me. And then the other foot on the far side here. And I'm gonna draw the nail that would be showing there, and then it goes behind it. And that's it. That's a cute Torosaurus. So what is wrong with me? Sorry. That's a cute Diablosaurus. If you want, you can also do this for the notches there, and the horns that are kind of put in there. And that is a cute Diablosaurus. Thank you so much. If you want me to draw other cute dinosaurs, or even just normal, just like cool dinosaurs, let me know, and I'm gonna do it. Like, look through the dinosaurs that I have drawn on the channel, go to the playlist. I'm gonna actually put the playlist here at the very end, or in the description, somewhere. Go look for it, and I'm gonna show you the playlist, and you tell me what dinosaur you want on there that's not on there, and I'll do it. So let me know in the comments. My name's Enrique, by the way. Shout out to me. What's up? Hey, I'll see you later, okay, everybody? Talk to you soon. Check out that next video.